Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to encrypt a USB flash drive on Windows computer. Option 1. Steps to encrypt a USB flash drive with BitLocker. Plug the USB flash drive into a Windows computer. Then right-click on the USB drive and select the option, Turn on BitLocker from the drop-down menu. OK, check the option Use a password to unlock the drive. And input your unique password twice. Choose a path to save your password. Now choose how much of your drive to encrypt. Click Start Encrypting button. Well, the encrypting process ends. See, your USB flash drive is encrypted. Option 2. Steps to encrypt a USB flash drive without BitLocker. First of all, connect your USB flash drive with the Windows computer. Then go to iSunshare.com and find SafeUSB Genius. iSunshare SafeUSB Genius is a powerful USB encryption tool to protect your data in the flash drive. You can download and install it. Open the software and select the USB drive. Now click the Encrypt button. Enter and confirm your password. Click the Encrypt button. Well, your flash drive is successfully encrypted. If you want to access the flash drives on your computer, go back to the software main interface and choose the Decrypt button. Then, input the password to decrypt it. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.